Good day, folks. Today we have a very interesting topic, and it's not necessarily related to the business, but it is a business from a sense that it can help other people achieve the goals of in buying home. And everyone, whether you're a business person or you're a common person, you are interested buying home. So before we go any further, please kind enough to share this video and also like the video. In the event you have not subscribed to the our system, please subscribe or provide us your email so we will update to you as often as possible. Now, now let's go over some disclaimers. Any claims in about the financial uh, achievement earnings are strictly for example purposes because as you know, it's based on the individual efforts. How much amount is collected or earned will depend on your marketing, your know-how, your knowledge and skills, and your determination. As to the copyright, there's no intentional violation intended for the copyright. Information provided here is strictly for education or dissemination of information. As you know, we're in business of selling success. Success is defined by each individual, but basically, with success from our perspective is very simple: that you're financially secure enough, that you have enough time to devote to your family and your personal desires and likes. Here's my grub on the right. Please call at the number provided. I will be happy to help you in any way we can. So today's topic is interesting: how to get down payment for home. Having down payment is very important because that makes purchasing home a lot easier. And most people stall or do not make an effort to purchase home because they do not think how much money they need. They have no knowledge of it. So we will make it easy. Not only that, we'll also provide a resource where you can get the down payment without much effort. However, your individual participation is needed, though financial obligation may not be there. The system we're talking about is basically a crowdfunding, and it's provided by the company called Crowdfunding Guaranteed. What is basically where its concept is based on, we all need money for something or the other, whether it be for our own purposes, for the charitable causes, or whatever the case may be. But no matter what we do, basically what you require is money. So how do we raise money? How do we get the money? And crowdfunding concept has been very unique to raise the funds for whatever the purposes you need for. Now you could go to the bank, but the bank is already going to provide you the loan to buy home. They are not going to provide you loan for the down payment that is needed. So how do you go get it? So that is exactly what we're looking for. How do we get the down payment for home? And the idea is very simple. Is you you have to have the belief in yourself that you can. You cannot say I cannot get it, so stop there. But the idea is how do we get it? And here's where we're going to help you. But the basic motivation has to be from within you. Yes, you can. Okay, what we are offering this through this system is very simple, is a financial freedom. And in this case, we are getting the financial freedom by having our own home. To get that your own home, you need the down payment. So your first objective is very simple, raising down payment to buy home. Now remember, you're not the only one who needs that. There are a couple of other friends that may be in the same predicament. So you'll be helping yourself as well as other people to achieve the goal of buying home. This is what this concept makes it very unique. Now, the first question that probably raised to your mind is this legal? Of course it is. Crowdfunding is means to raise fund. Charity and politicians have been doing for a long while. In 2018, well over 20 billion was raised through the crowdfunding. Now, what is unique is now normal folks like you and I now can do it legally. Now, just to give an idea, this is basically an example. You need to talk to your respective loan officer or the real estate agent to see what kind of down payment you've been needing. I'm taking an example here. The purchase price of the home is $300,000. You'll be getting loan, what they call FHA. It's a government-sponsored program with low minimum down payment. The down payment that you actually require to achieve this loan, to get this loan, will be $10,000. It's usually 3.5% of the loan. I have rounded off the number, and the closing cost, which is to materialize or substantiate the deal. You need anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000. So the total you'll be needing for the FHA loan will be $10,000 for the down payment, and for closing costs, another $10,000. So you're looking for about $20,000. Now, let's say if you were to get the conventional loan, which is non-government backed loan, the purchase price is still $300, but you will need down payment anywhere from 3 to 5%. So let's take the worst case scenario, will be 5%. That's $15,000. The closing cost will be roughly same, anywhere between $10,000 to $15,000. So in a conventional loan, you're talking about getting about $25,000 you need prior to purchase home. Now, who will this process benefit? You as a home buyer, of course. It will also benefit home seller because you having this down payment will make it easy for them to sell their home. It will also help real estate agents. Because of this program, real estate agents are sure that you will have the down payment. Mortgage loan officers also, because they will be able to procure the loan knowing that you have cash coming in for the down payment. So what crowdfunding will be doing, as the how our money has been allocated through your system, you will be able to write the check to you towards the down payment. Simple as that. It is what basically the system provides you a power within yourself to write the check to your down payment. Now, why crowdfunding system? Very simple. Very simple because it's unique and it's very affordable. You need only $29 at one time, and it is refunded back to you by enabling you to become a member of the system so you can get to people. It's a totally automated platform. Direct payments are made to you through either PayPal or Google. And the re-entries in the system at the higher level is done on auto mode. So not much big headache for you. The system is good because you always follow your sponsor. You also get spillover from your people who you brought in or other people who were brought in afterwards. Remember, you need to find, in this case, 2 people that you need to get in who also have the same objective, is to buy home, the down payment towards home. There are so many people just within your family. You could have brother, could be have sister, could be have your girlfriend, or could have your sister of your spouse. Whatever the case may be, you can easily find 2 people. Remember, the objective is common for all of you. That is to raise funds for down payment for home. Now, I need to present this disclaimer again. The example we're providing is strictly is an example. It can be done, but again, it will be depend on your individual work ethic and other factors beyond our control, and therefore, it's a system there for you to get the funds that you need. Like I said earlier, you only need one time $29. $29 sets up the system and it sets the target that you want to reach. I don't want to go through the whole system, what it is, but the first level is at $25. You collect enough, you reach to the 50. You collect enough, you reach to the 100. You collect enough, you reach to 200. And the objective is to reach to this crown level 400. And if you see the breakdown here, when you're at $25, you get 2 people, there'll be 6 people, you'll be getting $75. So your initial investment of $29 generates $75. Now remember, this system is on auto mode. So if you keep this funds in there, eventually your $29 results into, at the end of the one what they call generation, $1,200. Now remember, the system repeats in itself. So you have multiple amounts of $1,200 coming in. It is not that difficult, folks. So objective is very simple. You and your team members need to reach to this crown level so you have this cash flow coming in over and over and over. So don't wait any longer. Start now. You click on the description below. It is time to raise funds for you. Now, let me get one more thing clear. Remember, we talked about earlier that you need $10,000 down payment. You also need a closing cost $10,000 to $15,000. Usually, if you have a good real estate agent and a loan officer, they will find a way to get that $10,000 or $15,000 of closing costs added into the contract, either paid by the seller or paid by the system. So therefore, you do not need to have any cash coming in, very minor amount of cash. We have prepared a ebook for you. Please send to my email address. I will be more than happy to send that. It's totally free. To provide the email, we will send that ebook to you. Now again, let's go over this. You only need one-time $29 to get an over and over. In this case, you're raising funds for your home purchase. There are many people who are in the same predicament. You can get them and they can get the ball rolling. It helps you, it helps them. And the process is totally automated. Very simple, folks. You give a little and receive a lot. Plus, remember, your efforts are needed to reach the level that you desire. So please don't wait any longer. Click on the link at the description below. It is time to get down payment and become a homeowner. You can also find us on our blog. It's called empowerama.com. We inform you there, we inspire you there, and we innovate in the new scheme, new system to make your life better. Remember, being free is not just a matter of voting in the system or election. It is also the freedom comes from a financial liberation, folks. And this is what we strive for. We hope to relay the same concept to you. So you're financially free. It is your own economy that needs to be strong. It doesn't matter then what happens outside of your bounds. So please like and share this video. And if you have any questions, please call us. And also subscribe to our system so we can inform you on a regular basis. Thanks for watching. Again, basically, disclaimer, the earnings that are stipulated here are strictly based on individual efforts, know-how, and knowledge, and of course, work ethics. Thank you very much. See you next time.